cookie for Mother's Day gift. Hi everyone, my name is Lupita. Welcome to the Cookie Couture, where flavor and design collide. Today I'm going to share with you a cookie that is one of my favorites because it's super cute and super easy, and it is the perfect gift for Mother's Day. So I'm super excited to share this tutorial with you, but first, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and push the notification button. And I am ready to start. Very good. These cookies are super easy to do. First, we are going to cut out some circles, and I am going to bake them as normally at 350 Fahrenheit degrees for 8 to 10 minutes because they're very small and they're gonna bake fast. Okay, let me check my cookies. Oh, they're ready. As you can see, they're starting to getting golden in the back and they are very sturdy, so they are ready. I'm gonna let them cool for a little bit. I'm gonna start using icing as it comes out from making the recipe, and I am going to add a little bit of water to make it a magic consistency. Okay, please click the link above to see the measurements that you will need to make this icing to perfection. Okay, I think so it's ready. As you can see, it has body but it's fluid. Okay, I'm gonna cover the cookies. Very good. I am going to use this silver shimmering sugar, these big edible yellow pearls, huge hard sprinkles. I am going to also use this silver edible pearl. Okay, very good. To make your earrings depending on how is your mom. If she's very classic or is she a little more modern. These are just some ideas that I'm pretty sure that these ideas will bring you more. So I'm gonna put one of these yellow edible pearls in the center of this cookie. Now that it's not completely dry, okay? As you can see, the icing still looks fresh. So I'm gonna put it in the center and I'm gonna let them dry completely, okay? These other cookies, I am going to place a little hard sprinkle and then a silver edible pearl. Let them dry and then I'm going to continue with the other. I'm going to use natural color icing. It is super simple. You are just going to put icing around the yellow edible pearl. You are going to cover it with shimmering sugar. Shake the excess and you have a beautiful shimmering stuff or a beautiful flower earring. Okay, so now let's move to this one. I am going to use gray icing and I am going to make the hook of the earring, and if you want, when it's dry, you can put a little bit of silver edible paint. So here we have these earrings. I think so they are so cute, and I think so that if you put them in a cute box, they're going to look very fancy and your mom is going to love them.